Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset camera settings on OPPO A18. So if your OPPO A18 camera is not working properly or showing incorrect settings, resetting it can help fix the issue. So you can just follow this tutorial to restore your camera settings to default. So to reset the camera settings on your OPPO device, you can just open the camera app. So unlock your phone and open the camera application. Okay, now you can just access the camera settings. You can tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings, this one. And here you can just tap on more settings at the top. Now you can just scroll down and look for the restore or reset settings. This ones, you can tap on reset. And when you click on confirm, it will reset all camera settings to default. You can just tap on confirm. And after that, you can just close the camera app. And now you can just open or restart it again to apply the changes. So for troubleshooting issues after reset, first, if you got blurry image, you can just clear the camera lens. Here, for example, you can just clear it and try again. And if you're still facing the problems, you can try to restart your phone after resetting. So just turn off the phone first and then turn it on again. And if your camera app's crashing, you can clear the camera app cache. So what you need to do to clear the cache is just go to the settings, scroll down until you find the app settings. Now tap on camera applications, go to the storage and cache, and in here clear cache. And that's it. So for quick recap, to reset, you can just open the camera apps, tap settings and select reset settings, confirm and restart. And that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.